be a detective forever, so he was, you know, I wanted to follow him.
He was asking how much it would cost and what.
Right, it's gonna mostly do local inspection. Paraphrasing way, what the difference in lines with your AHJ.
Construction or combustible deposits.
What if we were pulling out an old vent or building where a hazard in the attic? Yes. How often do you get behind our work as far as that workmanship warranty?
That's the reason.
Just explain one course of correct.
What? Come back.
Would a cardboard cutout suffice?
Allow your form.
Or at least a decent photo you're
There's
going
a
to
photo
go.
of the side.
That's a great idea. But now, the safety is from my job.
Say